Alright guys, we got this huge mess here, so in order to get rid of the mess, we're building a loft. And this loft is going to be 8 foot across by 16. So I'm going to show you step by step how I build it. And by the way, I assume no responsibility. If you decide to build this and it comes crashing down and it hurts you, that's on you. That ain't me. You, me. Got it? Cool. We're cool. Okay. So, what these are here, if you're curious, these are hangers. These hangers, you put them up to the 2x4, and then you cut some 2x4s out. That way you can do runners. And when you do the runners, you make it so that it's exactly the same width as your beam is. That way it's completely flush all the way across. When you put this board all the way across, it's going to line up perfectly. And then you drill it all the way to either end, and then that ain't going nowhere. These are just some extra supports. That way you're not having all this weight carrying on these beams here by themselves. I mean, it is holding up the garage and all that, but I mean, you can see there's more structure than just these beams here. I mean, everything's got to be tied off, basically. That's all I'm saying. So that's it, guys. You guys want to watch part 2? Stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe, and see you on next episode. Bye.